Hello children, in last period we saw how to compare 3-digit numbers. Today also we are going to see how to compare numbers by putting correct sign. First we will see the objectives to enable them to compare 3-digit numbers. Second, to enable them to order the numbers, and the third one to enable students to color biggest and smallest numbers. Now children, see here on the board I am going to write one number. The number is 4, 5, 6. Okay, the number is 4, 5, 6. If I write the place value of each digit, then it will come 4's place value 400, 5 place value 50 and 6 place value is 6. Here addition sign. So this is in expanded form. If I write the place value of each digit, so it is in expanded form, and this number is in standard form. Now here see, when we expand a number as per his place value, it is his expanded value, and if we combine that number or if we add this number, then we get the standard form. So both the ways are same. This number and this number same. Here only I expand the number like this, and here for this I add all these numbers together and I got this standard form of this number. So first we will write the standard form of the numbers, and then we have to compare the numbers.
Children, already we have learned the standard form and expanded form of numbers. But for recapitulation, watch the video of expanded form.
A very good morning, student. Today's our topic is expanded form. Before this, we will see the objective of this. The first one is, students will be able to identify the digit in the ones, tens and hundreds places of a 3-digit number. Second, students will be able to write a 3-digit number in expanded form. Now we will see the definition. When we expand a number to show the value of each digit, means we are writing that number in expanded form. For example, 521. This number is in standard form. If we were asked to put this number in expanded form, the first thing we need to know how many digits are there. So here 3 digits are there, and they are 5, 2, 1. 5 in this number is in hundreds place, so 5 is going to be 500. 2 is in tens place, so 2 is going to be 20, and 1 is in ones place, so it is going to be 1 only. So we can write the number 521 in expanded form as 500 plus 20 plus 1. We cannot forget the plus sign. Whenever we will write the number in expanded form, put the plus sign in between the numbers. It makes a maths equation correct. Let's see one another example. Here let's see one another example. Here we have the number 417. In this number, 4 is in hundreds place, so it is going to be 400. 1 is in tens place, so it is going to be 10, and 7 is in ones place, so it becomes 7 only. So the expanded form of 417 is 400 plus 10 plus 7. For better understanding, let's see one more number. The number is 324. This number is in standard form. We need to write this number in expanded form. Let's start with looking at 3. 3 becomes 300 because 3 it is in hundreds place. So we will write 300. Now do not forget to write plus sign. What is the value of 2? 20. Since 2 is in the tens place, we will write 20 and put again plus sign. Last we will see about 4. 4 is in ones place, so it becomes 4 only. So the expanded form of 324 is 300 plus 20 plus 4. We can write this number 324 in different way. Here we can see a same expanded form in a different way, like 300 plus 20 plus 4. If you add all these numbers together, you will get 324. If you stretch out the number, we can see the value of each digit. Thank you for today.
For comparing number, we are going to use 3 signs. This one, and this. These are the 3 signs which we are going to use for comparing the number. So how to pronounce this sign? This is less than, this is greater than, and this is for equal to. See here, this is greater than, this is less than, and this is equal to. So these are the three signs which we use to compare the numbers, and by using these 3 signs we can say which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Now again we will see how to read this number. If this sign is there, then we have to read this less than. If this sign is there, then greater than, and for this equal to. For example, I am writing here 5 and 9. Now children, which number is bigger, 5 or 9? Yes, 9 is bigger than 5. So here we have to put the correct sign. Now tell me, now how can we put here correct sign? You can say I will write here like this. The other can say I will write this. So how can we write this? For this, just I would like to tell one small story of crocodile. See, if crocodile open his mouth, it looks like this. See here. Can you see here any sign? It's look like this or this also. So now here see, crocodile likes to eat more. So these 2 edges or 2 points, it shows the big number. So whenever you want to put the sign, you want to use the sign then here 2 means see looking like this. So if 2 points are there, it shows the bigger number. So which one is bigger now, 5 or 9? Yes, 9 is big. So this sign will come like this. And we have to read this, 9 is greater than 5. How to read this? 9 is greater than 5. Now children, open page number 32. Page number 32. There, question number 1. Open your textbook and see question number 1. Write the number in standard form and then put the correct sign. So first we have to write the number in standard form and then we have to put the sign. Question A. In this we will see one question. Question A. Here 600 plus 50 plus 0 is equal to, here is one box, here is circle, here is one box again, and the next number is 600 plus 0 plus 5. So children, first we have to write the standard form of this number. So while writing standard form, we have to see how many hundreds, tens and ones are there. So in this, how many hundreds are there? 6. The here place is small, so I am writing here 6. How many tens are here? 5. How many ones are here? 0. The number is 650. Now see this number. How many hundreds are here? 6. How many zeros are here? Tens are here? 0. And how many ones are here? 5. So we got the number 650 and 605. Now by comparing the place value of each digit, which number is greater? Here is 6, here is also 6. Now see the tens place. Here is 5, here is 0. So 0 is greater or 5 is greater? Yes, 5 is greater. So 650 is greater than 605. So this sign will come here. Now the next one is, one more question we will see. Not from the book, just one question. 300 plus 10 plus 5. Here is comparison sign we have to put here, and the other side is 200 plus 40 plus 6. First again we have to write the standard form of this side and the standard form of this side. So see how many hundreds are here? 3. How many tens are here? This 1. And how many ones are here? 5. The number is 315. Now here, how many hundreds? 2. How many tens? 4. And how many ones? 6. So now compare the place value of hundreds, tens, ones. So here is 3, here is 2. So 3 is greater or 2 is greater? Yes, 3 is greater. So here again the sign will come like this. Now one more example. 600 plus 20 plus 6. Here 700 plus 10 plus 0. So again we will write the standard form. The standard form of this will come 6, 2, 6, and the standard form of this 7, 1, 0. So see the hundreds place. Here is 6, here is 7. So 7 is bigger or 6 is bigger or 7 is bigger? Yes, 7 is bigger. So write this sign. So today from page number 32, complete question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Thank you children.